Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply face recognition to unlock screen on your Android phone. So guys, first of all, go to your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to select the biometrics and security setting, this one. And after that, you can simply tap on the face recognition since we want to activate the face recognition feature. And after that, you can click on continue. And you have to read the instruction over here. So before you can register your face, you need to set a secure screen lock pattern, pin, or password. And for example, I'm going to set pattern, so tap on the pattern option. Then I'm going to draw the pattern, then draw it again and click on confirm. Okay, and now we can register our face. And after the face has been registered, you can use it to unlock your screen. And after that, you just need to click on done. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate the face recognition feature on our Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.